Oh, I'm not.
Y'all some Street Fighter ass niggas. Look at them. Look at Ken and Ryu going at it.
Yeah.
Ooh, y'all niggas look like peanut butter.
Yeah, nigga. Okay, time out. No. Time out. Okay, I don't like being put in positions I don't like to be in. So, you got 3 seconds to let me up.
You the one still on the ground.
You got 3 seconds.
You lost hard.
Nah, I didn't lose. Cause I'm gonna show you something my nigga taught me.
To stay on the ground after you get beat.
Rush me.
Make sure you.
Now that's called a drop kick.
You got scoop, nigga.
Okay, touche. That shit hurt like hell.
Your shoes are shiny as hell in this light. Look at it. Damn. They got reflectors on them.
Hey, look, run the tape back. I just want to see.
Hold your foot
I
up.
just want to see that drop kick. That was pretty nice.
Damn.